Good morning, class. Raise your hand if you like money. Anybody? Okay, because I like money. Today, our focus of our lesson will be the value of coins. What I mean by value is how much is each coin worth. We will focus on 4 coins. The first coin we will focus on is a penny. A penny has 2 faces. Let's turn it around. As we can see, a penny is worth 1 cent. Now let's look at the nickel. The nickel also has 2 sides, 2 faces. This is the first side, and this is the second side. Here you see that it says 5 cents. A nickel is worth 5 cents. Lastly, we see our quarter. Our quarter also has 2 sides. Our quarter is worth 25 cents. When we write the value of money, we have to use a sign called the cent sign. This is what a cent sign looks like. Since we see a penny, we will write a 1 before it. A penny is worth 1 cent. We see a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. So as we write, we write as we say it. So if we say 5 cents, we'll write a 5 and a cent sign. If we say 25 cents, we write a 20, a 5, and a cent sign. Now that we all have our manipulatives, let's take out the penny. We already stated that a penny is worth 1 cent. If you can't remember, you can flip the coin over. It says 1 cent. If you are given a sheet of paper and they are asking you to add, here's a strategy that you can use. For example, let's say we have 5 cents plus 1 cent. So when we add, we have our addition sign and our equal sign. So how much did we say a nickel was worth? 5 cents. So we could draw 5 little hairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have our 5 little hairs. Then we have our penny. How much did we say our penny was worth? 1 cent. Let's draw our hair. 1. So let's see. Now we're going to add a nickel plus a penny. Let's count our hairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1 nickel plus 1 penny equals 6. 1 So now we have this problem. We have a nickel, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies, plus a nickel and 1 penny. So let's solve this. We know that a nickel is 5 cents. Let's add our little hairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know a penny is worth 1 cent. 1 hair, 1, 1, 1, 1. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we know the value of this side is 10 cents. Now let's find the second value. So a nickel is worth 5 cents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. and a penny is worth 1 cent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cents. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. 16 what? 16 cents. We can't forget the cent sign. So we learned about coins, 4 different ones. A penny, a dime, a nickel, and a quarter. We learned their value. We learned that a penny is worth 1 cent, a nickel is worth 5 cents, a dime is worth 10 cents, and a quarter is worth 25 cents. We also learned to add our money. We learned that you can write little hairs on your coins to help you count them. Okay. So next, we're going to work on a worksheet independently. And of course, you can use your manipulatives. You can use your manipulatives to help you, or you can use your little hairs, draw your little hairs on your coins to help you. We're going to work on this worksheet, and it's going to be really fun. The purpose of the activity is to first identify the number. So we see 9 cents. Then our next step will be to find the coins that will add up to make this number. I'll do this first one with you. So here we see nickels, 1, 2, 3, 4. We see some pennies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we see some dimes, 1, 2, 3. So we already know that a nickel is worth 5 cents. And we know a penny is worth 1 cent and a dime is worth 10 cents. We probably won't need the 10 cents, the dimes. So we can cross those out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pennies. Oh, we're short 1. So let's see what we can do with these nickels. So we have 1 nickel, 2 nickels, 3 nickels, 4 nickels. We won't need to use 4 nickels because 4 nickels is equal to 20 cents. So maybe we can add a nickel and some pennies. So let's cross out 3 nickels. So if we have 5 cents, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, how many would we need to make 9 cents? 4 more. So we can use some pennies. So let's use 4 pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll use 5 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's what we're going to use.